YouTube? It's your boy Brandon or Dagger coming back with something with a brand new video, and today we are going to be putting SKUNK2 Mega Something Something on my 2007 Honda Civic Si. Honestly, this car has been sitting here for a few weeks. I just haven't had any time to put it on. Sorry for that, guys. I just needed time for myself.
What she said. We're installing the headers, these SKUNK2 Alpha headers that I got probably like a month ago, honestly. We're gonna be putting this on the car. Hopefully it isn't too hard, but with my luck, it's probably pretty hard. So let's go and get these out and I'll show you guys the headers. So yeah, this is the SKUNK2 Alpha headers. I got this used off of like OfferUp. Honestly, like I said, it's been sitting there for a while. It's about time this thing, it's just a tad bit louder. Call it Dagger spec. But in order to get to the OEM headers, we do have to remove the cowl, which should be pretty easy because honestly this isn't really held on by anything. And then we'll get to the back. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. So once you get the cowl off, you pretty much want to get the 10 off here, and there's two 12s on the back of it, which is on both sides. Get that off, and this whole plastic piece should come off. So that's what I'm in the middle of doing right now. I got the heat shield off, as you can kind of see down there. See if it'll focus. Got the heat shield off, kind of pain in the ass, but got it off. If you have your aftermarket intake, this whole space is pretty much free, so you can kind of just get in there and get the back one. But now I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up, and then I should be able to get everything else from the bottom. Hopefully it's pretty easy from there. Working on getting the cat out right now. It's just a pain in the ass. This car's so old, so rusted.
I'm a little stuck. Excuse me. If you could give me my cat, that would be so nice. Okay, you're just gonna chill there. You chill there.
Got the stupid cat out. Pain in the ass. But now we're gonna try to get the, see if I can zoom on it. You probably can't see it. We're gonna try to get the header part out of there. There's 5 bolts, 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom, just like how the SKUNK2 one is, and it should come off hopefully easy, but we'll see. Gotta do what you gotta do, bro. Stupid bolt won't come off.
What doing?
We got the stupid header. How you want to show them?
That fell on Brandon's head. Hiya!
Something's shaking on the bottom. Rev it a little bit. Rev it. Rev it. No. Come over here.
Put that there.
Here.
What is it?
Something's still shaking somewhere.
Yeah, yeah, there is. You forgot to tighten it.
I like that. I'm in. Hit me neutron. What?
He thinks his SI sounds better than my SI.
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Show them.
Okay, no. When it comes to driving, my car sounds better than hers. Don't sound me wrong. The 11 Gen does sound pretty decent, but oh. No. I want everyone to comment which one sounds better, the 8 Gen or the 11 Gen. I still think it's my car. There's no way, it has to be my car. I mean, it sounds cool. Oh, we'll see right now. She's gonna do a flyby. I forgot to tighten down the header, so there was like some kind of rattling noise. That was me. Hers just sounds like every newer Honda. It don't have that K20 sound to it. It just sounds like 10 times better. Alright, I want everyone to comment down below. Which one do you think sounds better? I still think it's the 8 Gen. Hate to be it. And you have a downpipe and exhaust. I have catless headers and a custom exhaust, which I don't even have
a catted downpipe.
Not even my right exhaust yet. So I don't know. I'm glad it's on though. The car's still gonna need a tune, obviously, so we can get that extra horsepower out of it. But yeah, the car's pretty dirty, filthy, but it's coming a long way. There's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done, like, you know, obviously paint and stuff.
Why'd you put it there?
I just kicked it.
Take it away.
Kick it over there?
Take it away. I don't know.
What do you want me to do with it?